convention, people vote for it, and it was nice to get that. And I do believe there was a variable that, hey, he was the young Brit, he was the only one speaking German, making German more effort. But the way I explain it is like, oh my God, they got it, they must have felt sorry for me. So I say that, but in her mind, she's like, no, he was good. You know, he must have been really good for. So you're diminishing your own braggadocio spikes. You're trying like hell to be humble, and she'll love it for that. But nevertheless, it's still uploading.
Is that like self-depreciating?
No, I'm not self-deprecating. I'm just, just saying self-deprecating is like, oh no, I was the fat fuck. That's self-deprecating. This is just being a bit more humble, but still being able to share the story. And that's the whole essence of a good DHV story from your life. Everybody has those, but you need to learn how to relay them. But what I'm trying to say to you guys, the good thing is you don't have to panic about them using them in field. These kind of longer ones, the big ones that she really falls in love with you and makes the decision, wow, DMath is the man for me. DeMarcus is the guy for me. Yeah, this guy's the right decision. It's all of these DHV spikes from your real life. And that's why you want to make sure that you cover all of them in different stories over those couple of dates. That's going to allow her to make the decision. Because unfortunately, guys fill dates with DLV talk, their vulnerabilities.